What's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about a very unique subject that comes up on the channel occasionally, and we thought we'd just address it. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy's Popeye.
This is Amelia.
We are the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Hope you guys are having a good day. So a good friend and follower, subscriber of the channel for quite a while now. I think his name is Charles, I want to say Wall or something. He asked, what is the best way I can support you guys and your channel without supporting financially? Just don't have the funds to do it right now. And so we thought, you know what? We've been answering this question for a long time individually when people ask, but it might be a good idea to answer this question for everybody. So if you don't support us on Patreon, if you don't send us something through the P.O. Box, that is okay. We love that you're watching. That means a lot to us, and it means a lot to the hobby in general. What we do on our channel is try to get people involved, try to help you find the best beginner thing, and maybe if we can, steer you in the right direction to something more intermediate or advanced. So our goal is really to help keep the hobby going, and if you want to help keep our channel going, some of the best free ways you can support us, we're going to go over in this video. And I think the number one way to support us is to let our videos play through. Even if halfway through the video you lose interest, if you just want to help our channel out, let the video play. If you want to get yourself a drink or a snack or something, set your phone down, let your TV continue to play, your tablet, PC, whatever you're using to watch our video, no matter what our video is, just let it play till the end. YouTube loves knowing that you like our video enough to watch it all. So that is the number one way you can help us. Just from start to finish, don't skip through, watch our videos. If you're a regular subscriber and you like us and you like supporting us, I think that is the best way to help us. Again, YouTube loves knowing that you've watched the whole video. I think the second and easiest way for you to help us out is, first of all, to have a YouTube account. Make a YouTube account so that you're able to like our videos and leave comments. So, or even if you dislike the video, if we have a bad video, don't dislike it for the bad product, but if we have something in the video that you don't like, you can dislike it, and that's okay. YouTube is okay with that. Leave a comment letting us know why you dislike the video. She's trying to tell us right now. But leaving a like, if you enjoyed it, even if it was just kind of a mediocre video, and you tuned in because you were interested or you just want to help us out, even if it's a subject, maybe you only watch our videos for airplane videos, and when you notice we posted a drone video, if you just want to help the channel out, open that video of the drone, let it play, press like, and leave a comment and just say, hey guys, how you doing today? And I'll probably reply back. We can start a conversation. So likes, and kind of step 3, how to help us out, is leaving a comment. YouTube loves interaction. So if you're watching all of our video, liking the video, and commenting on the video, those are really great ways to help us out. Now if you really want to get dedicated and devoted and super help us out, these are all free ways, by the way. The number 4 way you can help us, I'm not saying you have to do this, but it would really go a long way. The way we make our money on YouTube is those ads that play before or after during the video. We try not to put too many in our videos. But if you would, when you tune in, you really want to go above and beyond, don't skip the ad. Now if it's a short one, 10-15 seconds, let it play. It's going to help us a lot because the advertiser is happy that you watched the ad. You don't have to click them or anything. Just letting those video ads play will really help us a lot. And now I'm not saying, sometimes I've seen ads that are like 10 minutes long. Those are crazy. You don't have to watch all that. I think those are insanely long ads. Don't watch all that. But if you want to really go above and beyond and help us out the best free way, that would be a really great way.
So clicking the ad help too?
Clicking the ad does help. If it's something you're actually interested in, click that ad, because now we're talking pennies on the dollar here, but if all of you guys do that, then it could add up to a few more bucks at the end of the month, and that really could help us out. Buy better products, buy more like DJI stuff, more high-end things, maybe upgrade our camera gear, help us keep going for years and years to come. And these are all free ways. So to recap, watch the video all the way through, like the video, interact with it, leave a comment, maybe talk to other people in the comments section.
Comment on other people's comments.
Yes. And then let the ads play all the way through. She is just sitting on the ottoman here, if you guys are wondering why she's just bobbling around. So let the ads play, or even click the ads. I think the only other few ways you could help is to share the video with someone else. Now that's asking a lot. You don't have to plaster our videos all over your Facebook page, but that does really help.
And follow us on social media. So we're on Facebook, we're on Twitter, and we're on Instagram. Those are our main ones.
Yeah. People ask us these questions pretty regularly, how they can, yeah, hey, I love that you guys have Patreon, but I can't afford it right now, you know, $5 extra, $10 a month is kind of a lot for me right now. And I totally get that fixed income, I totally get that. If it was just the YouTube earnings, if we didn't have Patreon at all, I don't think we could have our YouTube channel going. I mean, that's how serious we need that Patreon support. But if more people do what we're asking in this video, the ways you can support us, the free ways, that will really make up some of that difference. It'll really help us get more views, and it'll help more people find our videos. That's just how YouTube is working right now. So those are, I hate to just always say that stuff in every single one of our videos, so I thought a dedicated video for this would be really important, just to help our channel keep going. And there's a couple other things.
Tell him. Tell him. Uh-oh. She got scared.
Not used to being in front of the camera yet. Hi. Hi. Also, I think this is kind of a new thing, but if you're watching one of our videos and you're still kind of bored, you know, after the video's over, you're thinking, oh, I'd like to watch another YouTube video, go watch another one of our videos. YouTube really likes knowing that you watched more than one of our videos while you decided to get on YouTube. So
one of my favorite things that a few people have done is they've gone back to the very beginning.
Oh yeah.
And they've left comments all the way through. So on every single video they have commented and like
realistically,
very cool.
Maybe they only commented on
every
other video.
But you could see like the progression, so it's kind of fun when people do that.
Yeah, I do like that when people take the time to check out our old videos too. So if you're just bored sitting around the house and you want to help the RC Sailors, I think the best way to just pull up some of our old videos and press like and let them play and say, hey, this is cool to see you 3 years ago. Just little things, but it all adds up. It all adds up. And I really appreciate you guys for making it this far in the video, hearing us out, and just wanting to help support us. To our Patreon supporters, if you want to help us these free ways too. I know Jan, I had a conversation, we were texting because she's a higher tier patron, and she said, you know, are there other ways I can support too? She had no idea that, you know, liking and commenting and stuff helped us, and I think that a lot of our viewers just don't know that. Why would you? You shouldn't need to know that. But there you go. If you want to help us out, go crazy. Go crazy. Go in some of our old videos today too. Make this one of the best viewed RC Sailor days ever on YouTube. If it spikes up like crazy, I'll tell you in a future video. But even if just a few of you remember this moving forward, then it's well worth it. Just leaving likes and comments and let our video play.
She's eating her foot.
All right, kiddo, come here. Tell him bye. Tell him bye. She is getting those toes. She's getting those toes.
You want your princess book?
I know this is kind of a unique video. A couple reasons. We're just getting back from Horizon RC Fest, and so we wanted to, you know, let you guys know this as we're getting some of that content out to you. And the weather's been just kind of sketchy, and just a lot of people seem like they're asking. And over the years have asked this, and I said, you know what, Abby, let's do this video. We could do another drone in the front yard, but let's do this one. I think that this could maybe help our channel out a lot, and we just sincerely thank you guys for following through with this. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Guys, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye! Say bye!